NFTs and the digital art revolution, a creative evolution. In the ever-evolving landscape of art and creativity, a digital revolution is underway, and it's powered by non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These blockchain-based tokens have rapidly taken the art world by storm, reshaping how we create, own, and appreciate digital art. In this blog post, we delve into the fascinating world of NFTs and their profound impact on the art and creative industries. At the heart of the NFT phenomenon lies the concept of ownership. NFTs are unique digital assets, each with a distinct identity and ownership history stored on a blockchain. This technology ensures that digital art, once plagued by issues of replication and authenticity, can now be owned and proven as one of a kind. NFTs have democratized the art world like never before. Emerging and established artists alike can now showcase their work to a global audience without relying on traditional gatekeepers. Through NFT marketplaces, artists gain direct access to collectors, eliminating intermediaries and expanding their creative reach. Beyond creativity, NFTs have also become a hotbed for investment and speculation. Rare and sought-after digital art pieces have fetched staggering prices at auctions, turning artists into millionaires overnight. However, this speculative aspect has sparked debates about the true value and sustainability of the NFT market. While NFTs offer transformative potential, they also face challenges such as environmental concerns related to blockchain energy consumption and issues of copyright infringement. The industry is actively addressing these issues to ensure a sustainable and ethical future for digital art. Embracing the NFT revolution. The NFT revolution is rewriting the rules of the art and creative industries. It's a